Hello, so my name is Christian Cooper. I'm the regional sales manager at Avocor for the South US. We are here at the InVision show presenting our G Series 65. It comes in a 65, 75, or 85-inch format. Many features, like you can come up and directly annotate on the display. You can erase using your palm or the back of the pen as well. We have different models for, we have an entry level or value version. That's our E series. We're showing today our G series. We also have Group Share, which is our software where you can come up directly and start a Teams meeting, a Zoom meeting, or a WebEx call directly, initiate a PowerPoint, Excel file, any of your Microsoft applications. And then again, you can work with the display, Zoom, move things around. It's really gives you a very nice experience to bring people back to the office, which is what a lot of companies are having some struggles with lately. So you have to give them a good experience so they want to come back. So please visit us at avocor.com for more information, and you can also come and follow us at LinkedIn by scanning the code right there on the QR. Thank you very much.